Here we have in number 4, iron 2 sulfate, that's also called ferrous sulfate, and barium chloride. My equation for this would be iron that is 2 plus would perfectly match with sulfate, which is 2 minus, and barium, which is a group 2, so it is plus 2 charge, would take 2 chlorines to balance its charge out. So, is this a gas-producing reaction? No. If it was a sulfite with an acid, that's a gas-producing. This has to be another precipitation reaction. So, it is split up into ions. Iron 2 plus, sulfate, which is 2 minus, barium ions, which are 2 plus, and chloride ions, which are minus. And this makes what? Okay, remember we're looking for an insoluble combination. Two things which will not dissolve in water. And my solubility rules tell me for chlorides, I have a rule for chlorides, and it says that chlorides, right here, are all soluble except for silver, mercury, and lead. So I don't have silver, mercury, and lead. It won't be with the chloride. That gets me to the sulfate. The sulfate has a rule that says they are soluble except for silver, mercury, and lead, and then the heavy group 2 elements, including barium. So barium, strontium, calcium, sulfates are all insoluble. So my insoluble combination is going to be barium sulfate. That's my solid in this precipitation reaction. So the other question, do I have anything else? No, because no chloride is going to be forming a solid. So it's a spectator. I can ignore the chloride. It's a spectator. And I can ignore the iron. It's a spectator. My net reaction is simply the sulfate plus the barium ions react to form barium sulfate.